Still got my drag slicks, but check these out. I don't think anybody thought I was ever even gonna buy them. They still have that wax on them and everything. Look at the difference. Oh god, that's gonna be awesome. Check that out, guys. For all you that doubted me, I don't blame you. However, we're not putting these on yet. I'm still having fun on these. Oh, I didn't put my gloves on. I already feel it. All right, we gotta change that. Oh, you know, you don't realize how fast you're not going until you don't wear your gloves. Then you realize you're going slow and you're cold. Ha ha! Oh, yeah, boys, we're still rocking the Baldinis. You know, they're treating me well. Haha, understeer. We got so much grip on pavement now that I can understeer. However, here, much easier to break it free. Almost hit the Bushevy cans. Haven't done a good, just all-American riding video in a long time, and you know what? I think I miss it. Hill climb on Baldinis with a sharp ton of leaves. Like butter. Like butter. Ah! Ah! Yo, when you have this much leaf cover, you're really just skating around. Woo! Ooh, someone's been up here doing burnouts and it wasn't me. Hello, friends. Hello. Looks fresh, but I don't see anybody. Oh, don't want to hit the chocolate milk. Way too cold for that. Oh my man, sometimes it's those little rocks, man, they get you. You're just not prepared. And when you got a solid rear axle, the older you get, the more you start to see the appeal of a utility. Although these days, these utility quads that exist are insane. Utility quads back when I was your boy. Utility quads were terrible. All that they did was move snow, and if you don't have a farm, you don't need one. Get out of my woods. But these days, there's like sport utility quads. They kind of have more or less the best of both worlds. I mean, if you don't race, man, they are appealing. The only downside is they all got expensive. I guess everything did. Man, I really am getting old. Ha! Oh my goodness, that was a nice drift. We must avoid the chocolate milk at all costs. Major key. How you doing? How you doing? Oh, they're gonna put me in the milk. Thank you. I feel you. I am also that cold. You kind of looked like Kenny from South Park. Yo, that is one nice thing about a helmet. They do keep you warm. I mean, in the summer, they're pretty hot, but man, in the winter, they make a difference. I mean, you lose a ton of heat through your head. Pop, 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 pop. Man, so much of this is washing out. Whew. Oh, chocolate milk. Oh, definitely just felt that. Lug, 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 lug. Lug the engine. What's going on here? Oh, I see someone's burned something. Can we do a drifty donut around it? Ah, that was probably the wrong gear, but I mean, it did it. I think we could do better. Oh, oh. Yeah! I am definitely biased, but I think this is the best sounding exhaust you can put on a 400. These HMF Comp Series, they are the best. Uber. Now, this actually used to be washed out much worse. I'm not sure if they regraded it or what, but this isn't even bad. Uh-oh, I think it might be raining. All right, the best way to find out if it's raining, the best way to find out if it's raining is do a hard pull and see if rain gets on the goggles. Okay, it is raining. Wait, is it? Yeah, okay, it is. Oh well, just have to keep an eye on the... Just have to keep an eye on the GoPro lens. Try to find some woods. Man, somebody's been here too. I don't know if I want to go this way, but we're going to do it. Their pool's still open. They are... Oh, wait. What? Okay. Well, that's the end of this way. You know, hindsight's 20/20, but I'm blind. Anything this way? A tire. Oh boy. You know, it really seems like more work to me to bring a tire that you don't want in the woods than it would be to just throw it away. Pretty sure like most auto shops will like dispose of it. Oh, the trail runs cold. And that's a big creek. Okay. Huh. Onward and upward. These tires actually grip really well on grass. I think it's the surface area since all the knobs are gone. It's just like a super slick. That's my guess. Do these still burn holes? Yes. Oh, went a little off course there, bucko. Yeah! I don't think I've ever... Oh no, this is the way I normally go. Duh. A rock. Goodbye, rock. I just realized what that ticking noise was. This hoodie has metal aglets. I'm not sure if they went in my shirt or not. Alright, we're pulling over. Come on. No! Thank you. Aglets. A-G-L-E-T. Aglet. Don't forget it. If you know the reference that is from, the first person to tell me in a comment below, I will pin your comment. That doesn't even look like chocolate milk. Oof. That was kind of angled. Much snappier with the jets in it, I'll tell you what. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Getting bucked around. Wonder what's that way. Oh goodness. Shout out scrape plates. Oh. Ha. Oh, we ended up here. Alright, good deal. This is where I came out and found those people. Yeah! Maybe I'll get a little bit of airborne. You just kind of buck the back. Avoid, avoid, avoid. Oh, jeez. Well, I'm going to feel that as it leaks through my socks in about 30 seconds. Ah, a cooler. I don't think that was here before. I am confusion. Oh, man, you never get used to wearing goggles. You always think those you do. My lips are getting too cold. You always think those branches are gonna hit you in the eyes. You never get used to the fact, oh, no. You never get used to the fact that you're wearing goggles and you're invincible. Major key, go around the ruts with both tires. Now, if you fall in, well, then you gotta eat the lunch you made, but otherwise you're pretty good. Looks like somebody chopped those down. Huh, interesting. Oh, that's cold. That looks cold. I'm not sure, but it looks cold. Oh! Oh! Yep, there it is. Oh, wait. Alternate route. I feel like I'm doing one of those shaking fat loss table things that they advertise to middle-aged bored housewives on TV during the day in those infomercials. Oh, goodness. Oh, God. I guess we'll go right. Or you know what? I think we'll go this way. We're gonna go straight. I'm not quite sure if I know where I'm going. Oh, wait, I think I know. Okay, I know where I am. Here comes a Christmas tree. Can you go this way? Oh, you can. I always thought you couldn't go this way. Oh, that sounded expensive. What did I hit? Probably the rim. I gave her a little dinger. A little rim. Oh, I knew it was going to happen at some point. But it's cold out. My gloves still don't really stay Velcroed. No, there it goes. And I have stalled my vehicle. We are going to see if I can successfully bump start it from where I'm at with this hill. For anybody that doesn't know, a bump start is basically where you just leave the vehicle in gear, but you kind of just pull the clutch in. You get the wheels spinning. Now the vehicle's off, and what you do is you try to make the wheels spin when you disengage the clutch. And what it'll actually do is, instead of the motor powering the wheels, you're gonna sort of make the wheels power the motor and get it turned over and get it to start running. It's magic. So let's see if I could start to get it moving. Come on. Good. Oh, here we go. Oh, wait, no, now we're stuck on that rock on that side. Come on. Come on. I don't want to have to push. Oh, come on. Come on. Oh. Okay, wait. Come on. Come on. Maybe. God. No. Okay. Here we go. Okay. Let's build up a little bit more speed. In second gear. Hold down on the seat and there it is. Yeah. We're going. Oh. Another one. Oh, that would have been really bad. Oh, if you weren't paying attention. Yeah, guys, it's about mid-30s right now. It's not that it's particularly that cold. It's just, you see, I did not dress appropriately. I'm still dressing like it's early fall, and I am in strong denial that winter is approaching. Oh! Oh, that felt good. Almost bump started it back again. I don't know if you guys were able to hear that. Muddy. Just did some tilling, so they're welcome. That's my quad. If you want to know how to make that noise too, you just pretend you're making a goat noise, but you kind of lower your pitch, so it goes from like down up. Yeah, you wouldn't think it, but I'm almost 24. Oh, I didn't even notice this shortcut. This one was the one I hit really hard. Come on. I am batting 0. Oh, don't stall, don't stall. You can do it. Oh, God. You gotta be kidding me. Oh my goodness. This is that time of the year where it's tough to even see where some of the rocks and divots and ruts are, because the leaves just fill in the low spots. Oh. Huh. Okay, this is, I think, where I came in. Yeah, I see my drift lines. We're going stealthy. We're lugging the engine. We're going stealthy. This is very stealthy. Definitely cannot hear this anywhere else. Oh, a little too stealthy. Almost went 100% stealth and shut her off. Okay, let's go over here. The less puddles we hit, the more stealthy we are. My exhaust is definitely not really loud. Definitely not really loud. Oh, we made it right to the end. Oh! Narrowly avoided the trap. Narrowly avoided. Narrowly. I definitely don't say that right. Ha! I still have scrape going over this. Let's see if we hear it. Ah, barely. Oh, did it again. Oh. You know, one thing that is nice about the 4-stroke life, though, is you really don't need brakes a lot. Unless you're, I mean, if you're racing, that's a different story. You're gonna need to, like, you know, brake really hard. But for the most part, if you're a trail rider, like, I don't really use my brakes a whole lot. Unless I'm just trying to be a goober, or a dingus, or a nutcase. Yeah. Honestly, the most that I use my front brake is for brake stands. And that's the kind of life that I want to live. Ha! That could have been bad. Hear those pop, 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 pop. I love it. I really do. I really enjoy the way this thing... I love this whole kit. I love the way it sounds now that it's jetted. I love how it runs right. You know, the plug always reads good. Way more power. Particularly, I mean, down low is just insane. It definitely was a little too lean before I jetted it. Oh my god, you can't... You guys gotta hear this. It sounds like water. There's so many leaves. Now we're really eco-riding. Stealth riding. Eco and stealth. The triple threat. Mixed with, see if I can we do it? Oh, come on. Is that on? Oh, no. Too many leaves. Didn't get the traction. Tried to bump starter. I failed. Yes! Ah, just like old times. Alright, bye guys. I love you. Be safe. Bye! Ah! a mailman. Or a mail boy, if it's a young one. The wild mailman stalks his prey of local mailboxes. Very rare. Very vicious. We better leave him alone.